Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Traverse 2LT. This vehicle only has 22,723 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 18 by 7.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system. We have our gray interior leather throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, our heated seating on both sides, our push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.